There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Dodge Charger Super B Special Edition in Plum Crazy. With single hood scoop SRT with air intake, satin black painted hood, black hood pin kit by Mopar, 18-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo front brakes, drag mode suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, flat bottom steering wheel, only 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, line lock launch control, real carbon fiber interior accents, suede headliner, last call underhood plaque, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjp.com. Stock number 90990A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.